up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And there is a train coming. We just got back. Well, no, we didn't get back. We were on our way home to the Prime Osborne Center. I mean, no, that's not what I meant. We came from the Prime Osborne Center because there was a train show, and I'll show you guys really quick. I bought some cool trains for my layout in there. Stuff. Anyway, I don't really have time to show you guys. I want to go outside and film this train. So yeah, finally, I think it's not so never mind. So since there's a train coming, guys, these crossings are gonna go off any moment. No. Okay, no, it's not gonna work. We heard a train going by when we were inside the building. We bought some stuff. Oh, there we go. I think it's a Florida East Coast. Finally, I've never had that type of Florida East Coast on my on my channel before. Woohoo! It's a first. Yeah, it's a Florida East Coast. Let's go. Florida. Jacksonville, Florida train, Florida East Coast. There we go, guys. There's another train behind it. Wait. Yeah, there's another train behind it. I see it. There's another train. There's another train behind it. Oh my gosh. I wonder if it's gonna stop. But I can just see the lights of another train back there. This is so cool. Dude, I've never seen, well, no, I have. Guys, one time on my channel, in another video, I did see a train back to back, but it wasn't at a railroad crossing, and the train stopped, so this is probably going to stop for a little bit, but there's literally, I don't know how well you guys can see, but there's another train back there. You probably can't see very well, but I can see the headlight of it. Wow. There's like another train coming behind it. That is very surprising. I think I see the end. So it's a red light up there, guys, so. I think it's another train. I don't see what else it could be. It looks like it's going kind of slow, and this one is stopping. You guys can hear it, it's stopping. Is it? Wait, no way, it's not. This is slowing down really quick. Is this thing just, is it emergency stop maybe? Wait, why would there be an emergency, maybe it's saying, maybe it hit a car. No, I doubt it actually. But there's another train coming, guys, back there. Look at how slow it's going. Oh wait, I don't see the light of the other train anymore. Why is it stopping? Dad, it's stopping right now. Did it? It's like emergency stop. But the end is right here. I'm so confused. Maybe it's entering the yard, guys. Maybe the Florida East Coast train is entering the yard. Because I think that maybe the reduced speed limit. Yo, look at how cool this is, guys. Watch. Like the clickety-clack. Right there. And then the last clickety-clack. There we go. And there goes the train. There we go, guys. Is there another train? No, probably not. I hear a horn though, but it's probably the same train. And I'll just show you guys real quick before the video ends. I'll show you those trains that I picked up from the Prime Osborne Center and that you may see on my YouTube channel in future videos. So, I got this little church right here for $5. I also got a controller because I don't know if you guys know this, my controller broke. And I got some boxcars and other cool stuff. So set that there. And then the locomotives, I got all of this for about $100. Some used locomotives, but they're all like new. They're used like new. So I'm not gonna like bring them out or anything, but I got a Santa Fe, as you guys might be able to see. A Pennsylvania locomotive is pretty cool. And then a Southern. You can barely see it. Yeah, I'll probably do a video when I get home on it, guys, maybe. So anyway, talk to you guys later.